Welcome to our meditation journey. This guided session is designed to empower you with the courage to embrace English. Especially designed for you, this meditation practice aims to help you break free from your fears and grow a love for speaking English to achieve your goals. Now, please close your eyes and find a comfortable seated position. Take a deep breath in and then slowly release the breath. As you breathe in, fill yourself with all the positive impacts that English can bring to your life. The excitement from understanding others, the joy of expressing yourself, and the happiness from knowing you possess a powerful linguistic tool. Next, let's breathe out all the pessimism, judgment, and any negative experiences you've encountered while learning the language. Regardless of what anyone has ever said about your English or you, remember it reflects more about them than about you. Take another deep breath and gently exhale. Often, our actions are driven by fear. Sometimes these fears aren't even our own, but they take up valuable space in our minds. These fears prevent us from pursuing the life we desire. Now, take in another deep breath and expel all fears associated with learning English. Embrace that learning English is a process, a journey that we should enjoy. Constantly remind yourself that as you learn a new language, you'll begin a new life, rediscover yourself, and curate new experiences. Let's reminisce about the last time you dreamt in English. Remember how effortlessly you spoke, how excited you were during the conversation. Find that feeling again, releasing all your inner doubts and fears. When you try to control everything to avoid mistakes, your brain overworks and shuts down, building walls that impede your progress. So relax and let go of control. Making mistakes is okay. Even native English speakers make mistakes. Deep down, tell yourself, I am not afraid to make mistakes. I will not blame myself for making mistakes or forgetting words. I am on a surfing board navigating towards new life experiences. The mistakes I made in English do not define me. The more mistakes I make today, the fewer I'll make tomorrow. I will speak English, use English, regardless of how many mistakes I make. People are naturally imperfect. I may not know everything, but I do know our brains have an astonishing ability to memorize and learn. Take another deep breath and slowly let it out. I am confident that I won't give up on learning English. I am not afraid of failure because every mistake is a stepping stone toward my goal. I envision myself speaking English and thriving in an English-speaking world. My proficiency in English is improving each day. My vocabulary is constantly growing. I am excited about this new chapter in my life. I know I am remarkable and that more exciting things await me in the future. I know English will navigate me towards my goals. Therefore, I am filled with self-confidence, no longer afraid to voice my thoughts. I believe in myself. I believe I can achieve my goals. Breathe in deeply again, and then breathe out. Now, slowly open your eyes and shout out loud, I love myself and I value myself. Thank you for participating in today's exercise. Learning English is not only about studying vocabulary, phrases, and grammar, it's also about building a more confident and more positive you. If you enjoyed this meditation, I invite you to share your gratitude in the comments. Thank you once again.